Alright, today we're going to talk about grills. Specifically right now, we're going to talk about the Coyote Pellet Grill. So the Pellet Grill has an electronic control panel. This is the settings menu. And if we go back here, you can see it has the current temperature, and we can adjust the temperature if we want to go up or down. It actually has 3 separate temperature probes that actually get plugged into here. You pull this little guy out, it plugs right in there, and then we can adjust the temperature. This is unlike any other grill because it has an electronic control panel. We can take it to 350, 400, 450, 500 degrees, however high we want to. And then you can adjust if you want the smoker, use the grill, or use the sear burner, which is great for like seafood or beef. And then settings menu, and it also has lights as well that you can turn on. And then here's the on and off, and there's a switch in the back that turns it on and off as well.